Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis indicator, free indicator inside this our channel. And guys, if you are new to this video, kindly subscribe to this channel. And inside this video I'm going to be showing you a free indicator on how to make use a trend leader, how to make use of a trend leader to trade your particular trade. So as we can see here, that we have our trend leader installed on our indicator, and this indicator is what we are going to be using inside this video. And this indicator is for free. All what you need to do is to join our Telegram group, and you're going to get access to this indicator for free. All what you need to do is to join our Telegram group, and you are going to get access to this free indicator. So guys, I want to explain how you can make use of this indicator. Firstly, let me show you guys the setup of this indicator. And we have the first window, which is the setup. This is the value, and also we have the second trend leader, which is the settings. This is also the settings. So once you are done with that, then you can get the same thing I get here on my chart. So our arrow here, which is our blue arrow here on a downtrend, which shows the histogram of red, shows that the market is on a downtrend. And we also have our arrow on a uptrend. We always show our yellow histogram, which always show that our market is on the uptrend, and that is what you can see on the market currently now. So I installed these two indicators because I want you to trade it together. So guys, let's go into details. So guys, anytime you have your indicator together that is showing together like this, it can also work on boom. This strategy works on boom and crash. You can see what happened here. We have the two window appear together at this level, and we also have it here appear together. So what you need to do is that the market that bring down to that level, you just find your trend line and begin to mark it. And after you mark it, then begin to mark your zone level out. Once you mark your zone level out, then that will be your taking profit and your enter trade. So once you mark your rejection zone level out, you can see that we have a rejection zone level here, and also we also have another rejection zone level here. So that is to tell us that our next trade, our next market trade, is either it come to this level or it come to this level before it have another rejection level. And we can see here, this is our first rejection level, and that's exactly our first time to take our trade. You can see here, you can see what happened here. The confirmation of your trade is happening here. So what you need to do is to wait for that particular time to reverse it back to that same level, and you can easily take your trade to any time here. You can see what happened here. We want to hit our take profit 1, and this is our take profit 2. So you can decide to take your take profit in your first trend line, and same thing happen here. So what you just need to do is to wait. This is scratch 500 on 1 hour time frames. So you just need to wait for that two indicator to show an uptrend together. When it show an uptrend together, then draw out your trend line on that particular trade and wait for your time to buy. Also on boom 1000, the same thing also happened on boom 1000. I have my two confirmation here, and what I can see is that I just mark it out. We have the rejection zone here, we have one here, and we have another one at this point. So we have another one at the upper side here. So this will be my entry point, but if I don't get that particular sign, I can wait for this entry point, which is our trend level 1. And you can see what happened here. It skyrocketed and hit our take profit 2. And that is how you can make use of this indicator, guys. This indicator is for free. This indicator is for free. All what you need to do is to join our Telegram group, and you're going to get access to this indicator because I've already dropped it there. So check the video description and you can see the link to our Telegram there. Thanks, guys.